Whoever has the best technicians wins.
You need to rely on your people because they're going to be the ones that make you successful.
You can do things on your own. You're not relying on somebody else's opinion to get things done. The dealership gives you what you need to be able to make those decisions.
I do enjoy teaching them what I know and the tricks that I know to get something done a little bit faster.
There is definitely passion in seeing our clients succeed, showing them that there's changes that we can make based on data that the equipment is letting us know, either having higher production, a lower cost.
Working with the CAD dealership and CAD brand has opened a world of opportunities. That's the beauty of it, is that CAD's global.
If you want to be a technician and you want to work on the best, you need to come and work in the Caterpillar Dealer Network.